at 17 degrees here in the Queen City. So we're feeling that warm up finally setting into the province. We are seeing winds gusting at 35 kilometers per hour. So these are the sustained winds. Of course, we're feeling those gusts rather uptick from that. So gusting around 53 kilometers per hour. Taking a look at current temperatures, we do see warmer temperatures through the majority of the province, a little bit cooler up north and on that eastern portion of the province. But right now we're looking at 17 in Swift Current, Kindersley, North Battleford, Rockland, 18 in Moose Jaw and Saskatoon, 18 in Maple Creek, 16 in East End Cypress. As we watch these current wind speeds, a little bit of a system moving through, so we have some low pressure still coming through the majority of the province, and that's why we're seeing these higher sustained winds right now, 39 kilometers per hour in Moose Jaw, 41 in Assiniboia, 48 in Swift Current. So as this low pressure moves out of the province, we will see those winds start to taper down probably into the evening tomorrow. So we can expect a few windy hours ahead of us. Watching this radar and satellite from Friday, we see a little bit of precipitation moving from central Saskatchewan into that southeast corner, something we did anticipate as that low pressure system moves through. So a few raindrops still hanging around into the early evening tonight, and we're going to continue to see that into the early hours of Saturday morning. But then for the most part, we're seeing that cloud cover lift for the majority of Saskatchewan on Saturday morning, so it's going to be nice and sunny. Now, that east portion of the province is going to see a little bit more trickle of rain throughout Saturday day. But for the most part, we're going to see sunny skies in southern Saskatchewan for the majority of the weekend. And then as we head into Monday, we continue to see that trend. Looking at the wind gusts, so right now we're at 45 kilometers per hour here in Regina, 50 in Moose Jaw, 55 in Swift Current. We're going to see that drop down into the early hours tomorrow morning, but then they start to pick back up again into the mid-morning, mid-afternoon. So we're going to have those windy conditions hang on for a little bit throughout the day into Saturday. And then Saturday evening, once again, they taper off. We're seeing a little bit of an uptick on that western portion of the province. But for the most part, on Sunday, things calm down for southern Saskatchewan. Taking a look at our forecast for tonight and tomorrow, a little bit cooler temperatures overnight. Now, a high pressure system is coming behind this low pressure one, so we're going to feel those -1 in La Loche in the early hours of tomorrow morning, not necessarily over the course of the evening, but then we see a high of 14 and that sun shining, high of 14 in Prince Albert, 16 in Lloydminster, 16 in North Battleford, 15 in Saskatoon, 12 degrees in Yorkton. So we're seeing lots of sunshine, lots of warmer temperatures for tomorrow, which is a great way for us to start the weekend. Looking at 13 in Weyburn and Estevan, 14 in Assiniboia, and here in Regina, we're looking at a high of 13, mainly sunny as well tomorrow. Again, those winds are going to pick up in the early morning, and then we're going to see those continuous throughout the day into the evening. Taking a look here at our 7-day forecast brought to you by Capital Ford Lincoln, proud member of Capital Automotive Group. We're looking at a high of 13 for Saturday, a high of 13 again for Sunday. And then as we head into Monday, the beginning of May looking beautiful. 15 degrees on Monday, 19 on Tuesday. We could even climb to 21 on Wednesday and Thursday. So as we start to head into May, it's becoming a much better situation. We're feeling more like summer than spring, in fact. So we will take that as we end April, leaving that snow behind.
Yeah, it's long gone. We're not going to see any more snow anymore. Right? Hopefully. Thanks, Brianne.